tide's just turned. Just trying to keep the loose line intact with my rod. It has just turned. Weed I've just started getting, so I think the tide's going the other way now. So Poole Quay is home to many different businesses and things like that, but ultra impressive is the Sunseeker yachts, super yachts or whatever they are, but there's nearly always one when I come down being built or touched or whatever it is. This one in front of me, quite an impressive thing. But yeah, I'm on Poole Quay. It's a big tide. A couple of lads over there fishing as well. You get Brownsea Island trips. Not today though, because it's absolutely horrific weather-wise out to sea. Even in the harbour itself, it is pretty rough. Yeah, some more Sunseekers there, look. Lovely. Most importantly though, let's keep fishing. This is so easy to fish as well. Just fishing about an hour over the top of the tide, and then we'll call it a day. Oh, here we go. Finally hooked one. Excellent bit of fun on this little rod. What is it? Oh, great fun. There we go. All bass. They're lovely. There we go, little school bass on a tiny little ragworm and ball weight. Excellent bit of fun. I'm going to pop in straight back. Beautiful little fish. So although I've only had one so far, I've forgotten how much fun this is. Little light gear, literally small hook, small weight. I think sometimes you forget, you know, the art of fishing is many styles of fishing, and I suppose we can get sort of, what's the word, sidetracked with all the what's the word, like all the professional stuff and all the newest mod cons and the new rods and the new reels and all that sort of stuff. And I've just sat here with a very small little spinning rod, you know, tiny little reel, small baits, getting lots of little bites. So it's great fun, really good fun. Right, popping back. Goodbye, mate. Oops, Daisy. Ready. Brilliant. Happy days. I'm just trying something a little bit different. I'm getting loads of bites on the bag worm. I've got a floating bead there as well. Quite a short sort of hook length, down to bullet lead. Let's see what this brings. But I'm getting loads of bites, I just need to hook them. What is this? Is this another schoolie? I've instantly gone over to the gone over to the floating bead, which just lifted the worm just off the bottom a little bit, and the very first bite I've hooked the fish. So is that something to remember? Lovely little bastard. There we go. Beautiful little fish that. So does it make a difference with that bead? I wonder. Let's see if we can put him back. There we go. Come on then. Hopefully that comes out. Nice and simple. Let's pop him back. Oops. Interesting to see, isn't it? I swear the tide has turned, because the bites literally have stopped. And just looking over there, I can just see on the sign, it looks like the water's dropped a little bit from the sign.